In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL in WordPress. If you've moved a page, changed a slug, or reorganized your site, setting up a redirect makes sure anyone visiting the old link is automatically guided to the new one. It's also helpful for keeping your search rankings and avoiding broken links. Start by opening your WordPress website and logging into the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins. In the search field, type Redirection. You'll see a plugin called Redirection designed for managing URL redirects. Click it, then click Install, and when that's done, click Activate. This adds the redirect tool to your site. Once the plugin is activated, go to the Tools menu in the left sidebar and click Redirection. You'll be greeted by a quick setup wizard. Click Start Setup, then click Continue. When the process completes, click Finish Setup, then Continue again. And finally, click Ready to Begin. This prepares the plugin to start handling redirects behind the scenes. Now you'll see the main redirection screen with an option to add new redirection. In the field labeled Source URL or Old URL, paste the exact address you want to redirect from. This is the link that no longer represents the content's final location. It's important to match it precisely, including the correct HTTP or HTTPS and any trailing slash, so the redirect triggers reliably. In the target URL field, paste your new URL. This is where you want visitors to land instead. Think of it as the destination for that old link. If you're redirecting a full page, use the full address rather than just a path to avoid confusion and ensure everything works consistently. With your old URL in the source field and your new URL in the target field, the redirect is ready. At this point, you can test it. Open a new browser tab and enter the old URL exactly as it was. If everything is in place, you'll be automatically redirected to your new URL. That confirms the link is working and visitors won't hit a dead end. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep a note of the old URLs you've changed so you can add redirects for each one, and be consistent with your domain format and slashes to avoid mismatches. That's all there is to it. You've just set up a clean, reliable redirect in WordPress using the redirection plugin.